Okay, here we are. Got another question. This time we've got two quadratics. This time, I'm just trying to find the area enclosed by those. So, usual first step. Let's have a sketch. So often the case in maths, sketch makes life so much easier. Okay, so we've got x squared plus 1. So x squared plus 1. Okay, a little bit like that. Remember, if you are drawing a sketch, do write next to your curves, your lines, what it actually is, especially if you end up getting a few on there. Okay, we've got 9 minus x squared, so it's a sad curve. So it's going to come up through this point up here somewhere. So here we go. Let's pop them up through there. Right, you can see that. So again, let's see what the question is. So the question is, what is this area in here? Okay, so now let's identify what we need to know. So what we need to know these points. Okay, these intersection points. So, and because it says y equals, then we can just simply write down from there. What do we got? We got x squared plus 1 equals 9 minus x squared. Let's make sure I said about writing those things down. I instantly didn't. Okay, so now let's go on and solve this. So what have we got? We've got 2x squared. Got take away 8 is equal to 0. Let's divide everything by 2. Just make our life a little bit easier. There we go. And oh look, difference of 2 squares. So here we are. X plus 2 equals 0. So x equals 2 and minus 2. Okay, so that's these 2 points over here. 2 and minus 2, just there. Okay, so remember what we're going to do is we're going to integrate the 1 at the top. Alright, so that's going to be 9 minus x squared between minus 2 and 2. So that's going to give us the answer to this here. Okay, just thinking about what it's actually going to do for us. And then we're going to take away the other curve, x squared plus 1, again between minus 2 and 2. That's going to give us this area just in here. Alright, and then the difference of the two will be this area that we want. Okay, so let's just go and simply write that down. Okay, try as much as you can to write this out properly as you go. Alright, it will just make your life so much easier, and also really cement what we're actually trying to do as we work through these. Okay, so we're integrating the first one between 2 and minus 2. We're integrating as well x squared plus 1 between 2 and minus 2, all with respect to x. Remember what I said before? Keep practicing actually integrating these things and trying as much as possible, trying to set them out in the correct way. Okay, so relatively easy ones to integrate. There we go. Okay, now this stage here, let's write it like this. There we go. And then we're going to take away, what do we got? We got x cubed over 3 plus x. And again, that's between 2 and minus 2. Okay, again, just go through this process. Make sure that you can actually do this. The answer does actually turn out to be equal to 64 over 3. Okay, remember you could do this on your calculator if you're super confident about integrating these. Okay, that's alright, but keep practicing. I do want to at least see this step just here. Okay, right, now it's time to go and have a go at the questions. Don't forget to self-mark, right, and then let me know if you've got any problems. Okay, good luck.